Presenting our project Autonomous Vehicle using LiDAR technology. This system is designed to detect obstacles, measure distances, and navigate safely without human control. With LiDAR sensors, the vehicle scans its surroundings in real time, creating a 3D map for accurate movement and decision-making. The goal of our project is to design a smart vehicle that runs on Arduino. It relies on LiDAR sensors to detect and measure obstacles in its path. The car is capable of navigating on its own while avoiding collisions. With the help of servo and motor control, we make its movement smooth and precise. And finally, it is powered efficiently through a compact battery system. Let us have a look at the block diagram of this project. The system is powered by a rechargeable battery, which supplies energy to all components. At the center, we have the Arduino Uno, which acts as the brain of the project. The LiDAR sensor sends distance data to the Arduino, helping it detect obstacles. Based on this data, the Arduino controls the movement of the vehicle. The L293 Motor Driver receives signals from the Arduino and drives the 4 bow motors, which move the car forward, backward, left, or right. Additionally, an SG90 Servo Motor is used for steering and improving maneuverability. Together, these components make the vehicle autonomous and self-driven. Next, let us see the flowchart of the project. The flow of our system begins with the initialization of all components. Next, the L293 driver is activated to control the bow motors. After that, the SG90 Servo Motor is engaged to provide maneuverability. Once setup is complete, the LiDAR continuously scans the surroundings for obstacles. The scanned data is then processed by the Arduino. Based on this data, the Arduino makes quick decisions to avoid collisions. Finally, the motor and servo controls are adjusted according to these decisions, allowing the vehicle to navigate safely. Project setup. Here we have attached a LiDAR sensor, which detects an obstacle or a person and sends signals accordingly. We have used an Arduino Uno in this project. We have attached an L293 motor driver, which helps to control the 4 bow motors attached to enable movement. This is a servo motor which enables movement of the sensor. We have attached 4 batteries for supply. Let us head to the working of the project. The car moves forward and senses the obstacle or person. If any is detected, the sensor sends signal to the Arduino. The servo motor is commanded to control the bow motors to change the direction and speed of the car.